Do you ever feel overwhelmed by your studies? Like there's just too much to handle? Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step. You may struggle, but that's part of the journey. Think about why you started. To achieve your goals and succeed in your studies, you must be relentless and persistent. Start by eliminating all excuses. Every time you choose to study instead of giving up, you're getting closer to your goal. Each page you read, each problem you solve, brings you one step closer. It's not supposed to be easy. If it were, everyone would do it. The challenges you face are building your strength and resilience. So, take a deep breath and dive back into your studies. Focus on one task at a time. Stay dedicated, stay focused, and keep pushing. You have what it takes to succeed. Believe it and make it happen.